Spring is here, and while we love the flowers, every dog owner dreads the same thing: the inevitable trail of muddy paw prints across the house. If you're tired of the constant mopping and the towel by the door method that just doesn't work, you've probably looked into portable dog paw washers. But with so many options, which one is actually worth your money? Today, we're doing a deep dive into the two heavyweights of the market: the Dexas MudBuster and the Paw Plunger. Let's start with the fan favorite, the Dexas MudBuster. The MudBuster is legendary for a reason. Its simple, handle-free design is incredibly sturdy. The secret is the soft silicone bristles inside. They're gentle enough for sensitive paws but tough enough to scrub away caked on mud and sand in seconds. Plus, it's a breeze to clean. Just pop out the insert and rinse it. But then we have the classic contender, the Paw Plunger. What sets this apart is the ergonomic handle. If you have a wiggly or large dog, that extra grip can be a lifesaver. It also features a splash guard lid to keep the dirty water exactly where it belongs inside the cup. So, how do they stack up? The MudBuster is the minimalist, stream sleek, and incredibly effective. The Paw Plunger is the power user's choice, offering more control with its handle design. Both use high-quality, BPA-free materials that are safe for your pup. Remember, size matters. Whether you choose the MudBuster or the Paw Plunger, make sure to check the sizing guide. A medium is perfect for beagles or corgis, while a large is a must for your labs and goldens. No more bathtub wrestling matches or ruined carpets. These gadgets are a small investment that will save you hours of cleaning this spring. I've put the links to both products in the description below, along with a full detailed blog post and sizing guide. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more pet tech reviews. Happy walking!